Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to take a look at window cleaning. Less is more. What I mean by this is less squeegee strokes can be more productive, more efficient for you on your sites. Take a look at the method and the process, the pattern that's being used to wet these windows down. It's maintaining almost the same pattern identically on each window. The squeegee strokes are also the same. Many times you'll see videos where guys are working on a site using a squeegee and they totally are over squeegeeing a window. Using a fanning motion or an S pattern can be very unproductive in certain situations. Sometimes you have to evaluate the type of window, the size of the window, how dirty the window is, and see what's going to be your most effective plan of attack. Scrubbing a window down doesn't necessarily mean you have to spend a lot of time or a lot of passes on a window. Obviously, restaurants with like fingerprints or windows that are cleaned annually are going to require a lot more agitation and scrubbing. But then you have your other jobs to where there might be monthly accounts, weekly accounts. Any account that's cleaned more often isn't going to be as dirty and won't require as much agitation. If we can save some time while we're wetting a window, it's going to increase how many more windows we can get a day. Also, the less squeegee swipes you're using, the less chance for hacks or blemishes you're going to have to come back and detail on these windows. Just take a look at a process. Saad here, Window Warriors Forum.